What's up, everybody? Chef Oruch here, coming at you from my apartment kitchen, about to make one of the OGs of the menu, our mussel pot. Let me tell you what's in it real fast. So we've got our Prince Edward Island mussels, a whole pound of them. We're gonna have some Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of parsley, a little cilantro, some garlic, some shallots, some lemons, and of course some bread to soak up all the juice. So I'm gonna pop this bread in my toaster oven real quick. Boom. And then get the pan nice and hot for you. This dish has been on the menu since we opened, all 13 and a half years that we've been there. Now you are gonna learn every secret and exactly how we've done it that whole time. So a little bit of butter right in the pan. Love the sound of sizzling butter. And then we're gonna throw our shallots in. Shallots are part of the onion family. However, I like them a little bit more. They've got a little more flavor in my opinion. Then our garlic, a little garlic going in with the shallots. We're gonna bring these all together. After we've got the garlic and shallots nice and bubbling with the butter, we're gonna add our little herbs. We've got our parsley. We've got our cilantro. This is a tablespoon of Old Bay. Use it all if you like. If you don't like it as hot, you don't have to use it all. And then I like to take 2 lemons. I squeeze those lemons in and toss the lemons inside as well. Give it a little stir, look at it go. And then in with our Prince Edward Island mussels. Top it off, we're gonna use some wine. This is a Vermentino, it's a super nice dry white wine. We're actually gonna have a glass with our mussels after they open up. We're gonna use about 1/3 of the bottle, just right so you cover the mussels. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take another pan, we're gonna cover it, not let any steam out. In about 3 to 6 minutes or so, the mussels are gonna open up. Once every single mussel's opened up, that bread will be ready out of the toaster. We're gonna pour it in this pot here, soak it up with the bread, and we're gonna go to town. See you in a sec. Oh! The bread's ready! All right. Smell that, everyone? Oh my goodness. It's mussel time, everybody. The mussels have finally opened up. I just like to lay my bread right across here. You know, this is definitely what I would call a dip-worthy dish. So if you go ahead and throw the sauce right in, the bottom half of the bread just gets soaked up with all that goodness of butter and wine and garlic and shallots. And voila, Prince Edward Island mussel pot made at your house or mine. Enjoy.